Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how to find the Binance wallet address. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Binance app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, here you can find the star button at the top corner. Simply select it. Then here you can find the option of Binance wallet. Simply go ahead and select it. After that, to find the Binance wallet address, tap on to add funds right here. Then tap on to receive tokens via address right here. You need to create the address first. Simply tap on to create address. Then tap on to backup now right here. After that, choose one of these. You can backup with iCloud or backup with QR code. The recommended one is the backup with iCloud. Simply tap on it. Create a recovery password. After creating the password, simply tap on to continue. Keep your password safe and then tap on to this I understand check mark like this and then tap on to continue. Now enter your recovery password that you have just made and then tap on to continue. Now the backup is successful. Tap on to OK. Now you can see the Binance wallet address. And that's it. This is how you can find the Binance wallet address. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.